How to fix Instagram Reels preview not showing. If you're trying to look at a particular reel and the reel is not loading, in today's video, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do is just quit the Instagram app. So just remove it from the recent list and then try open it up again and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can try out is try clearing the cache of your Instagram app. Tap and hold the app, head over to app info, and then tap on the clear data option and then tap on clear cache. If this is also not working out for you, come back to this screen and then tap on the clear data option. What this will do is log you out of your Instagram account. So you need to hop back out, tap on the Instagram app, and then add in your credentials. Now, after doing all of these steps, if you're still facing the issue, you can try using the Instagram Lite version. So open up the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. Search for Instagram Lite and make sure that you install this application. In the meantime, until the Instagram application works, you can try using this platform. I do hope this guide video helped you out. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.